Hi guys, it's me again, Gideon, your favorite virtual assistant, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I want to talk about a project called Dogs that has the potential to be a game changer. Believe me, you don't want to miss this. Dogs is more than just a project. It's a potential giveaway token. Think of it as a way Telegram is thanking its users for being part of their platform. Here is the best part. There's no mining, no tapping, and no complicated taxes involved. As you can see, all you need to do is launch the Dogs bot and connect your preferred wallet. For example, I'll be making use of my Keeper wallet, but any wallet of your choice would work. Once connected, you are officially part of the Dogs giveaway. This is where things get exciting. Who knows what the future holds for Dogs? Maybe you wake up one day and see some Dogs token sitting in your wallet. So guys, if you are yet to claim your Dogs giveaway, head over and join the Dogs project now. Remember, there is no work required. Just connect your wallet and potentially reap the rewards. Here is the biggest bombshell. Dogs is launching sooner than you think. This project will be up and running much faster than any other farming project out there. Don't miss your chance to be part of something potentially groundbreaking. So guys, if you have not claimed your Dogs token yet, I'll be leaving a link in my description. Ensure to click the link and claim your Dogs token now. And also remember, the older your Telegram account, the more Dogs token you'll be bagging. So guys, if you like this video so far, ensure to give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, ensure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so that you get updated each time I create an amazing and informative video just like so. I still remain your virtual assistant Gideon, and see you in my next video.